Hi guys, this is Mehdi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove a background and replace it with a transparency, solid color, or background image with just a few clicks. Let's start. For example, I have this photo and I want to change the background. First, open your browser. Then go to remove.bg. For uploading your photo, you have two options. First, click on Upload Image, or you can drag your file here. As you can see, the background was removed. Let me first download this to show you my original image without background. You have two options to download your file. You can download with this resolution. Also, you can download your photo HD. For downloading your photo HD, you should sign up in this site, and also it's free. So I download my image. As you can see, the background was removed. Let me go back to site. Please click on Edit. There are a lot of options here for choosing your background. You can blur your background. There are 80 ready-made background models here. So let me back. Also, you can select photo from your computer. Then click on Color. There are 22 solid colors here. Also, you can make any color you like. Please back to photo. Let me choose one of these. And then select download. Please click on download image. In this step, select save file and then click OK. Please go to your downloads and open your file. As you can see, I changed the background. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know.